This customer purchased their countertop from one of the big box center or big box stores, and the installation was terrible. The quality is terrible. I think the original quote might have been a few $100s less than us, but it's kind of that deal. You get what you pay for. So we may have to take the old countertops out if the original fabricator did not remove them yet. But hopefully we can get in and out of this job in about 3 hours. We do have backsplash, a seam, and a sink.
One of the days of the week. Can't quite tell you which one it is. Might be a Sunday, might be a Saturday. But either way, going on an install. It's about 4:30 now. We should arrive to the place around 4:30. Overall, should be a good install, I think.
As I'm Alex, the cameraman, this video is going to be like a little bit different, but yeah, we're going to be talking most of the time, stuff like that.
We've not talked a lot about who we are and what we really do here in our videos, but I'm Andy, I'm the owner. The cameraman and Andrew that install with me here, these are my twin sons. We're hoping to inspire some more young people. We're hoping to inspire some parents to get out there with their kids, do some work, teach them how to do some projects. If you're not handy already, we encourage you to get hooked up with some people that are doing stuff and help them along and do some learning.
Countertops all day long, that's all I know, that's all I do. Countertops, DNA. Eat a countertop a day, keeps the doctor away. That's it. So, hey, at your left, man.
No chance of making that.
In a quarter mile.
Done no stuff. Wrong turn today, keeps the countertop man away.
If you ever wonder why we don't make it to your house on time, it's because we're doing all this and we missed our turn. We did have fun in the process anyway. Just right down the road here is that turn that we missed a half hour ago. We should be all good. This is that one we ran this over a little extra, if I remember.
Yeah.
As you can see here today, it's nice and sunny.
Can't be colder than a June bug on a summer night.
Okay, very first thing we're going to do here is we're going to check to make sure this undermount sink will fit in the cabinet. Clear. Chances are we might have to remove some corner blocks, but always dry fit your sinks. Make sure you get the sink in before you actually put the top in. Some of these sinks or sink bases will have a center style that'll prevent you from getting the sink into the cabinet.
Most of the time, it's strong. You break these right out. Cut that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Countertops! You've been waiting for.
Yeah, definitely. So right now we're putting on the spreader bar right here. Basically, grab the pieces, put them on the lift cart, and we should be good to go.
And you too can be just like me with Dad's dollar and a few dreams.
Don't think this is easy. I had to go to school for like 12 minutes to learn how to push this button.
I beat that. It took me 10. How long did it take for you to get that button?
Man, I can't even tell you the gruesome hours I spent trying to push that button.
So the last company that installed this countertop, they simply made the countertop hit this piece of casing and then put a piece of backsplash on it. What we did, we ran the countertop right tight to the wall. This made it so we had to move the refrigerator out. But if the customer wants to do a new tile backsplash in the future, they can this way versus having that big gap. When using any lifting device, you want to make sure you're never underneath your load for safety. So we'll joke around about this, but we're making sure we're never getting under this, so if it lets loose, that we're going to be in trouble.
My name's Tyler. Well, my friends call me Tim. So you can call me Tim.
Dude, we have another guy named Tim.
Well, that's just, hey, what are you doing? Cameraman don't know what he's doing.
Okay, here we are at 5:05. So 30 minutes in, all of our tools in the house, all of our countertops in place. Now we're ready to start the real work. Okay, in this situation here, we added a little additional overhang onto this top so they have a little more room to sit here. Their old countertop came to here. We're gonna have to make a little slice here. We're gonna use our oscillating cutoff tool here to show you how we do that without scratching up anything. I'm gonna take a piece of laminate. We do laminate countertops as well, so this is just a piece of laminate countertop. So you're gonna see here, we're gonna use this as a straight edge and we're gonna come right in. Not sure if you're new to our videos or not, but we're heating up this seam. In the wintertime, it's extremely hard because the stone will produce condensate as it heats up in the house, goes cold to warm, and you'll get moisture as it heats up, and that'll put water into our seam. We need our seam to be extremely dry for that epoxy to last forever. So we'll spend about an hour warming this up so the stone is good and toasty, so our seam will be good forever.
Right now I'm field dressing the seam, making it line up good and making it feel smooth like a baby's bottom. Because nobody likes to cut their knuckles on seams. So we're doing our dry fit here to see if we can even do it.
Here's our seam on this job. One of the best seams I've never seen. Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing here. We just finished up a rather special granite countertop install here. On this particular job, customer actually purchased the top from a home center here several months ago. The quality of the installation was just absolutely terrible. I'm gonna let them share a little bit of this in their own words. But we came in and replaced this top just a few months after it was put in the first time. First top had seams that were really nasty. Quality of workmanship was really kind of rough. Outside corner radiuses were rough, not really square. Backsplash didn't really fit in correct. But here we are with our customer, Trenton. What do you think of our overall process opposed to the home center that helped you to start with?
You guys had nice equipment. They did not use nice equipment. You guys came in, you guys measured everything. They really didn't do a good job with that. They didn't ask if we wanted a seam or not. You guys were on the ball with everything. You guys came in, you guys put them on, you guys were nice. They just were not doing their job right.
You see a little bit of difference in the people that care about what they do and the people that just are there to do the work.
Yeah, absolutely.
What do you think of your overall fit here for this job?
100% well done. You guys changed our lives, you know. Not many people may not see that, but you changed our lives.
Awesome. Now you do have one seam on this job. What do you think you're seeing compared to what you had before? What do you see from your eyes? What's the difference between what they did and what we did?
When they came, you could see the seam, but from here, I can't see nothing. It's amazing. Well done. Thank you guys from our heart.
Phenomenal. Really appreciate the business, Brian. Great to work with you.
Here at AKA really stands for Andrew Knows All.